check out this waist trainer that I was given so I could give you guys a review. I was so impressed that there's literally no setup. It comes straight from the box just like this. So it is ready to use in actual seconds as soon as you open that box. It has this really nice non-slip grip to it with nice and chunky bottom pieces so that you could use it on so many different surfaces, and all you do is step on and twist. It is so great because even within the first minute, if you're engaging your core, you can really start to feel it. It also comes with these really cool hooks that have straps on the end so you can use your own body weight and have those resistance bands on the side there. It really does add that extra level of exercise. So you're working out your arms, your legs, your waist as you keep twisting. I loved that this was really easy to move from room to room. I am a mom with tons of kids, and so it's really great that I can put this in a room that works best for me to work out or work out around my little ones so that it is on my schedule. I love to pop it in front of the TV. You wouldn't even realize that you're doing it while you are doing other things. Overall, I was really impressed with the quality, just how easy it was to be able to use. It's literally hop on and go. I would definitely recommend checking this out. I loved using it.